So let's get this button to do something. Right now we just click on it and we get the feedback down here. Right click on that and clear that. Let's go back to the Flash file and think about this for a second. We've got our blank document here. We've got our two symbols in the library. We've got the dog scene. We've got the red button. Let's go ahead and make a new symbol. Let's call it cat. Upper camel case, movie clip, and let's export this for ActionScript. Okay. All right, and let's go ahead and let's draw a cat. Okay, there's our cat. And let's go ahead and maybe adjust this just a bit. Just with the registration there. And let's go back to our ActionScript. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to repeat what I did up here for the dog variable. I'll declare a new variable, cat, cat, semicolon. Whoops. Flash is being a little too helpful. I'll bet there's something I can turn off so it doesn't act so helpful, but I won't worry about that for right now. Variable dog, variable cat, cat. And we have to, so that declared the variable. Now we have to fill the variable here. So I'll do that here after I do the dog variable. I'll say cat gets new or equals new cat, semicolon. There's that helpful ActionScript again. Okay, make sure it says cat, not category. All right, so now we've got a variable. Now what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and go down here to that button click handler that we have here on dog click, which is referred to up here and then defined down here. And so instead of just saying trace, you click the dog, we're also going to do this. We're going to say remove child. Actually, let's not do that yet. Let's just do add child. Cat. Okay, just like we did up here for add child dog. So we'll add child cat, save the movie, test the movie, click on the dog button, and now the cat is added to the scene. And so our dog is still there. If we want to remove the dog, we would say add child cat, remove child dog. Save, test. Click, and there we go. Now, what if I wanted to add a button that you could click on from the cat that would take us somewhere else, or just reverse what we just did there? Well, go back to the Flash file, go to the cat symbol. We could go ahead and drag an instance of red button out here if we wanted to. Very important, we have to give this a name, an instance name. If we don't do that, it ain't going to work. Go up here to properties with the button selected. Button instance name should be, let's go ahead and give it the same name, lowercase red button. And the computer, ActionScript rather, will be able to tell the two apart because we're going to use dot notation. So that's the way we'll distinguish this red button from the dog red button, is we'll call this cat dot red button. So go back out here. So we need to add another event listener because we've got a new button click to listen to. Here's where we're going to use dot notation. Cat dot red button dot add event listener parentheses mouse event dot click comma, on cat click, which is our event handler, which we'll have to define here. It's a new function, so go outside of those braces down here. Function, name it on cat click event colon mouse event, just as we did for the dog event handler. Colon void, open curly brace. I'm going to go ahead and put that on a new line. Open curly brace. We can use a trace here. We don't have to, but just always good to get that feedback. You clicked the cat. Okay. Semicolon. And here let's go, whoops, forgot the quotation mark end there, so everything turned green. There we go. Now add, or we could go remove child, cat, add child, dog. Get rid of that extra line there. Save it. And test it. There's our dog. Mouse over, click it. There's the cat. Click it. And now we have jumping back and forth. Now, if we wanted to, we could, instead of having add child dog, we could say add child, scene 3 or whatever we wanted to do there. And we can keep reusing the same button over and over again as long as we give it, each time we use it in a symbol, we give it a name and that we access it correctly using our dot notation like we've done here. Okay,